This is parliamentary dictation with speed of 60 words per minute taken from previous year grade D dated 11/11/2019. Please, madam, I know come to the activities of all exploration. Our aim ultimately is a complete stoppage of import of crude oil with a view to do it. We are now intensively carrying on oil exploration both offshore and onshore in the country. As the House knows, the activities of offshore exploration are increasing, and there are very good prospects of getting oil next year. We hope that production from the offshore will be something between 1 million and 2 million tons of oil by the middle of the next year or by the third quarter of the next year. Our production of crude oil from the onshore areas is also likely to increase by about 1 to 2 million tons. So just now, when we are importing about 2/3 of our consumption, we hope that by the end of the next year, this proportion will be substantially reduced. It is quite possible that we may then produce about 40% of our crude oil by the end of this year and import about 50%. If discovery of oil and production program goes on like this within 3 years, we hope the situation will very much improve. By the end of next year, we hope we shall be able to produce as much oil as we would require. Madam, such a situation in the exploration is due to the fact that the oil and Natural Gas Commission has of late made rapid advances towards new technology, both onshore and offshore. I am glad to inform the House that we are now knowing much more the difficulties of oil exploration than what we knew about a few years ago. We do not hesitate to exchange knowledge with those who have it, although there are sometimes difficulties in bargaining with such parties who know more about it than us. Now, with regard to increasing the number of refineries, it is very difficult just now to commit the government to anything like that. There are 2 refineries in Assam. A third one is coming up. With these, we hope to process as much crude oil as will be possible for us to do. We are already committed to transport 2 million tons of crude oil to Bihar. Madam, I would like to say a few words about the Assam oil situation. Oil exploration in Assam is increasing, and want to assure honorable members that both the refineries are being expanded. At present, we are actively engaged in planning for the expansion of these refineries. The petrochemical industry is being planned, and we hope in the next 2 or 3 years there will be sufficient expansion. Madam, there is one more point which was raised by my honorable friend. I want to inform the House that the public sector units are increasing the quantity and quality of our medicines. These are badly required. The House may be aware that very recently there was acute scarcity of blood pressure medicines. These tablets were neither available in our country nor are we getting it from the Western countries. We managed to get the bulk product, and now you will be glad to know that the public stop.